Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today we're going to do a giveaway drawing where there's going to be 10 winners picked. I'm going to have a coupon code for you guys later on in the video, and I am doing the release of the Swatch Book version 1 and version 2 templates in the new background designs. All of the background designs. All of the new background designs. I don't know how else to say it. About a month ago or so, I guess it's actually been a month and a half or something like that, 2 months maybe, I have made a video where I did this release of this new set of templates. I will link that video up here in the cards and down below. And in that video, I asked you which background designs you would like to see, and there was a choice. And I was going to pick from those comments that you left on that video. There'll be 10 winners. And all you had to do to enter to win was to leave a comment on that video, be a subscriber to my channel. Just real quickly, the Swatch Book version 1 and version 2 are a quick little set of templates that I created in order to house different options for things. So like that's my scripty papers. These are all my background designs. Here is my pastel vintage papers, so I can quickly reference. So I have a physical printed copy of digital type papers. And here's other designers' papers that I have in here that I still haven't completed. We made this one in the introduction video. There's a timestamp in that video. I think it's like 18 something minutes where we made this one. I went step by step on this one. And then we made this one. This is the Swatch Book version 2. We made this one, this video series, and this one is My Suite, and I'll put that playlist up here in the cards and down below. So we made that one. And then we just finished making this one, which is the Pressed Flowers album or journal or book or whatever you want to call it. I've added a few new things in here. Look at that one. Is that not gorgeous? Oh, I made a clear acetate tag. I made sure that the, we'll talk more about this in the next video, but I made sure that the wax seal wouldn't melt anything. Anyway, so we just finished making this album. I will put that playlist up here and down below. And those last two were I used the Swatch Book version 2, and then this one is the Swatch Book version 1. So is this one, so is this one, so is this one. It's just a really handy little set of templates to have. Okay. So, Swatch Book version 1 and version 2. So version 1, I think, I can just show you the back side here. Swatch Book version 1, Swatch Book version 2. So this one has just the, you know, the small size, and this one has is a taller with the label. So what background designs I have come out, I have them in both version 1 and version 2, and I'm just going to show you the version 1, even though I printed off both Etsy listings. And I just also wanted to remind you too that all of the template sets come with a set of just plain, where there's no background design on them at all. So all of the templates come with this set. Not this specific one, but this is Swatch Book version 2. Swatch Book version 1 doesn't have the label on there, but they all come with a set of plain templates. So I just kind of wanted to remind you guys of that. I printed off an example page for each background design with the Swatch Book version 2. I didn't print one off with the version 1, just the version 2, just so you could see. So now they are available in the coffee stain and the collage too. So this is what the Etsy listing photo looks like, which I'll have this link down below, the section in my Etsy shop that has all of these templates, version 1 and version 2. So this is what the Etsy listings look like. And so here's an example of the collage, or I'm sorry, the coffee stain, not the collage. That's the coffee stain. And then here is the collage 2, just the example of that. So, and then they're also available in the grungy wood and the hearts. So here's the grungy wood example, and then here's the hearts example. This was part of the initial release, but I went ahead and I'm just showing you what they're available in, all of the background designs that they're available in. Then there's the letters and the light wood. So that's what the letters look like. And then here's what the light wood looks like. One of my favorites. All of these are really my favorites, actually. I love them all. So I didn't like just pick one or two background designs. I just went ahead and did them all. Then there's mini check and music notes. Mini check was part of the initial release. There's the mini check. And then here's the music notes one. And then I feel like I've got more than one sheet there. Then there's note paper and postcards. So there's the note paper version. And then the postcard version. And then text and vintage polka dot. So there's the text and the vintage polka dot. Love that one. And then there is the butterfly background. So that's part of the initial release as well, I think. I'm almost positive. The butterfly background. So again, these are all these backgrounds are available in both the Swatch Book version 1 and Swatch Book version 2. So I'm not going to go through all of those right now because it's the same. Before I pick the giveaway winners, what you will win, I guess I could tell you that too. I'll tell you that in a minute. Before I do that, I do have a coupon code for you guys. So the coupon code is jenofeve25. It is for 25% off of everything in Etsy shop with a $10 minimum purchase. And it is valid today from the time this video goes public to July 8th, 2021. So I will have all this information down in the description box, but it's JENOFEVE25. All capital and then 25. No spaces. If you have any issues, just message me through your purchase or through your Etsy shop. Also, I wanted to say really quickly, I've noticed that when you purchase and you hit the buy now button, it doesn't give you the option to do all of the coupon codes and stuff, I don't believe. So make sure you add what you want to your cart and then go to your cart and purchase through that way. I think that's probably the best way. And make sure that you're signed into your Etsy account as well. More and more people are contacting me with multiple accounts, or you purchase as a guest accidentally. Make sure you're logged into your account. People get multiple accounts all the time accidentally. They might be on their phone, they might have one account. On the computer, they might have another account. On this device, they may have even another account. So just be sure that when you make your purchase that you're on the same account. I can always help you out with that, so don't panic. Just email me through your Etsy account and I can hook you up. Or I can help you figure out. I might not be able to hook you up, but I can figure out what maybe you've done. Okay. So this is the coupon code. It's good for 2 weeks. All of this information will be down below in the description box. So the giveaway winners. I'm about to choose 10 giveaway winners through the YouTube random comment picker. Oops, sorry about the glare there. My light's right there. And what you are going to win is one of the sets of templates. So whether you want the Swatch Book version 1 or the Swatch Book version 2, you get to choose, and you also get to choose which background design you would like. And the way we're going to do it is, or the easiest way and the best way that I've found, and most convenient for you guys even as well, is for you to purchase the set of templates and then I refund your money. That way your templates are in your Etsy account. They will always be in there as long as you have your Etsy account. They will always be there available for you. So the winners are also going to have to contact me via a special email list, a special email down below that is just for giveaway winners, and I don't answer any other correspondence through that email, just for the giveaway winners. And you also have 7 days to contact me after this video goes public. So that would be, what date was that? I guess I probably should have looked that up first. That would be the 1st. So you have till July 1st to contact me to claim your winnings. All of that information will be down below, and I've already pulled in the URL for the video, the introduction video of this set of templates, and I've already pulled in the comments. So what I'm going to have to do is I will hit start. It will pick a comment, and then I'm going to have to check to make sure that you are a subscriber to my YouTube channel. So if it seems like it's really pieced together from here on, that is because I'm having to check to make sure that person that won is a subscriber. So I'm gonna hit start. Wait a minute, I'm gonna make sure my camera's focused. I'm gonna hit start, and then it'll pick a winner. Okay, it says Dixie Blasberg. I'm not sure if that's the way to say that. I'm gonna check to make sure you're a subscriber. Congratulations, Dixie. You are a subscriber to my YouTube channel. So all you have to do is contact me via the email down below within 7 days by July 1st. All right, now let's pick another winner. Okay, I have had my first non-subscriber, so I'm gonna cover up that person's name, and I'm gonna hit pick another and try again. Tanya Palmer? Boy, I might have messed your name up. I am so sorry. Okay, congratulations. I don't want to try to say your name again. I'm pretty sure I messed it up. But congratulations. Contact me via that email down below just for giveaway winners. All right, let's pick number 3. Anne McIntosh. Okay, so congratulations, Anne. You are number 3. All right, contact me via that email down below. Let's pick another winner. Sandra Beaver. All right, congratulations, Sandra. Contact me via the email down below. All right, let's pick number 5. I think we're on number 5. Okay, I'm gonna hit pick another winner. Michelle Dempster. All right, congratulations, Michelle. You are number 5. Winner number 5. Contact me via that email down below. All right, I'm gonna pick another winner. This is number 6. Melissa Noble. Congratulations, Melissa. You are winner number 6. And you need to contact me via email down below. All right, let's pick another one, number 7. Nicole Stock. Okay, congratulations, Nicole. You are winner number 7. You just contact me through that email. Okay, let's pick another winner. This is winner number 8. I'm shaking you. I haven't ate yet today. I should have probably ate. Alrighty, we are gonna pick another winner. This will be winner number 8. Oh, Alexa Rogers. Congratulations, Alexa. You are winner number 8. And you can contact me via that email. All right, let's pick winner number 9. Ooh, Jason Pettigrew. I'm not sure I'm saying that correctly. Congratulations, Jason. You are the 9th winner. And all you need to do is contact me via my email down below. All right, we're one last winner. Let's pick one more. CK Babe 100. All right, congratulations to CK Babe 100. Not sure who you are, but you'll need to contact me via the email down below. Okay, so that was 10 winners, which was awesome. You guys just need to contact me. And don't forget about the coupon code that we got going on right now, Jenofeve 25% off of everything in my Etsy shop. And that includes all of the new templates that I've just released with the background designs on them. So there's 10 new, actually there's 20 new listings in the Swatch Book version 1 and 2 that are new to the shop as of today. So, okay, you guys, that is all I have for you today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.